If you're worried about paying penalties for underpayment of taxes, you're not alone. It's a common problem, especially for those of us managing retirement savings or living off our investments. But don't worry, there are ways to avoid these penalties, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. First off, one of the easiest ways to avoid underpayment penalties is by making sure you're paying enough in estimated taxes throughout the year. The IRS expects taxpayers to pay taxes on income as it's earned, not just at the end of the year. This means if you're drawing from your IRA, 401k, or other investment accounts, you need to make sure you're covering your tax obligations on that income. One strategy here is to set up quarterly estimated payments. These are payments you make 4 times a year, covering the tax on your income that hasn't been withheld by an employer. And it's not just for self-employed folks. Even retirees who rely on their savings might need to pay estimated taxes if their income isn't being automatically withheld. But how do you know how much to pay? You'll need to estimate your total income for the year and calculate how much tax you owe. You don't have to be an expert at this. You can use IRS tools like the estimated tax worksheet or consult a tax professional to help. But don't skip this step. Underestimating your tax liability could trigger penalties. Now here's an important point. If you're getting your income from something like a gold IRA, this could actually reduce your exposure to tax penalties. Gold IRAs, unlike regular IRAs, have some unique tax benefits, especially when it comes to diversifying your wealth and protecting it from market volatility. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend checking out the free Gold IRA guide in the description below. It's a great resource for those who are serious about safeguarding their retirement savings and could help you avoid a lot of financial stress down the line. Another way to avoid penalties is by checking the safe harbor rules. Safe harbor means you won't face penalties if you've paid at least 90% of what you owe for the current year, or 100% of what you owed last year, 110% if your income is over $150,000. If you've made those payments, even if you end up owing a little extra, when you file your tax return, you won't face the underpayment penalty. Now, a quick tip for retirees or anyone with large savings. If you're withdrawing from an IRA or 401k, make sure your withdrawals are taxed correctly. For many retirees, the tax rate on these withdrawals can be significant, especially if you're withdrawing large amounts. By ensuring the correct withholding or making estimated payments, you can avoid a surprise penalty when tax time comes around. On that note, don't forget to track your withdrawals. If you're not sure how much to withhold from your IRA or 401k, it's easy to miss. A quick chat with your financial advisor could help ensure you're on track. If you're managing over 100k or even $5M+ in savings, having a professional guiding you through this process is a smart move. If you're looking for a way to secure your wealth and avoid not just tax penalties, but market risks too, consider gold IRAs. Not only do they offer significant tax advantages, but they can help protect your retirement savings from inflation and stock market swings. This is especially true for retirees who have more than 100k in their IRA or 401k. Gold IRAs offer a solid hedge against unpredictable economic times. If you're still unsure about where to start, make sure to check out the link in the description for your free Gold IRA guide. It's perfect for American retirees who are ready to protect their wealth, whether you're starting out with 100k or have $5 in savings. To wrap up, avoiding penalties for underpayment of taxes isn't as complicated as it seems. With careful planning, timely payments, and strategic financial moves, you can avoid these penalties and keep your retirement savings on track. If you're ready to take action and want to learn more about how gold IRAs can help you protect your wealth, click that link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.